Hello everyone, this is Nate from imwithnate.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys an inside the members area view of CB Passive Income. This is going to be a review. I'm going to show you exactly what's inside, and just by showing you exactly what's inside and explaining what the course is about, you should be able to make your own decision on whether you would like to purchase this course or not. So CB Passive Income is basically a course that's going to teach you how to make money online. Now, why would you like to learn how to make money online? Well, according to the study in 2013, and digital marketing industry has only grown ever since. Industry worth is $62 billion. So of course it's something that you would like to get into. And another thing too, Patrick Chan, he's definitely been making tons of money online. So why not learn from someone who's already making the amount that you would like to make? So here's the first page of the members area, the welcome page. You're going to get a little welcome here from Patrick Chan himself. And then you're going to get the part 1, how to make money online and about ClickBank. Part 2, how to do internet marketing. And part 3, using CB Passive Income as the shortcut. Why is CB Passive Income the shortcut? It's because you're going to have a lot of the work done for you. A lot of the email marketing is done for you. So a lot of the time-consuming tasks in internet marketing are basically going to be done for you. So if you guys don't know what ClickBank is an affiliate marketing network where you can choose to promote products and get a commission. So let's say, for example, you get a 50% commission on something. There's a lot of marketing methods that you have to do. However, there's a huge chunk of it that's done for you with this product, which is email marketing. And then one of the most difficult parts, that the reason why most people don't make money online, is they don't know how to share their affiliate link to get sales and to get commissions. What CB Passive Income does is not only does it make that whole process shorter, but it gives you the training necessary to teach you how to go out there and go get those sales. So as you can see here, you have paid traffic promotion and you have free traffic promotion. These two things here are going to show you how to get traffic to your affiliate link, how to get started making money. As you can see here, welcome to the paid traffic promotion training. And you can just scroll down. I don't want to go ahead and show you everything here, but you have tons of content here on how to actually start making money with advertising. And this just goes on and on, video after video. And on top of that, you're also going to get the promotion tools with the videos, the training videos. And you're also going to have, let's say, for example, you go through the training videos, you have a couple questions that you feel like are unanswered for some reason. You can click and register for your free training, free live training. So, and like, honestly, this is a great product. And then go back to the training. Then we have the free traffic promotion training. Other than the paid traffic, which is like advertising on Bing, advertising with paid advertisements, etc., etc. Let's say if you don't have the money for that and you would just like to go with this route may be a little bit more time consuming, but it's way better in the long run. With free traffic, this is not loading right now, but with free traffic promotion, they're going to show you search engine optimization. How does search engine optimization work for you newbies? Let me just give you a prime example. Let's say, for example, you're promoting a product that gives you $50 commission for every sale, and the product is weight loss. If you type in how to lose weight on Google, and give you a random number, if you type in how to lose weight on Google, it probably gets 100,000 searches per month. If you have a web page that contains your affiliate link inside the web page, and that web page ranks #1 on Google, therefore you would get 100,000 free visitors per month to your web page that contains your affiliate link. So I'm pretty sure you get the point there. Out of 100,000 people, I'm pretty sure a couple thousand would click your affiliate link and they would buy and purchase whatever affiliate product you're promoting. So here's where they show you exactly how to do that. These are some methods that the sky is the limit to how many times you can decide to do that. Then you have the Inbox Pro version, fast cashiers, advanced tracking, etc., etc. I don't want to go into detail and show everything that they have to offer here, but I just wanted to show you as an example here. I have a ClickBank account here, a test account basically, where before I even went into the members area, I was already using a lot of the methods that they teach you how to use in CB Passive Income, And here is one of my test accounts. As you can see here, started off slow, 25, 25, 60, and then bam, $129. So basically, I'm not showing you this as a guarantee, but I'm showing you this so that you can see what is possible. So with that being said, is the course a scam? No, it's definitely not a scam, because as you can see, you're obviously getting tons of content. It's just up to you whether you actually want to go through the training and follow the steps. I'm not going to sit here and show you every single video and basically give away the course to you. That being said, do I recommend the course? Yes, I totally recommend it. If you want to go ahead and check out a more in-depth written review, go ahead and click this second link below. If you want to go ahead and hurry up and join CB Passive Income, click the first link below in the description. I hope you like this review, and I hope this review has helped you make a solid decision.